Hello everyone, welcome to Team Levelers channel. Lots of iPhone users have been facing camera black issue after iOS update. Are you getting the same issue on your iPhone? Then see this video. I'll show you how to get rid of this issue. First of all, open Control Center on your iPhone. Now tap on flashlight icon. Then open camera app and wait for 10 seconds. Now camera app will work without any problem. After that, solution 2 is force restart your iPhone. After that, solution 3 is check out content and privacy restrictions. Now first go to setting apps, find and tap on screen time. Then it will be prompted to enter your screen time passcode. Tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now tap on allowed apps. Find the camera and make sure that this option is turned on. Now at last we have solution 4, that reset all settings. So when you go to reset all settings, all your customized settings will go back to default settings, but no data or media will be deleted. So launch setting app, find and tap on general, then tap reset at bottom. Select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and finally tap on reset all settings to confirm this process. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video then hit like button, and also don't forget to subscribe Team Developers channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.